Before we begin the story of Moonlight over Mousa, I'd like to share the journey that inspired it. In the summer of 2023, we travelled to Shetland, drawn north by the long light of midsummer and the pool of Mousa Broch. We were drawn to Mousa by a deeper fascination. Brochs have always intrigued me. I grew up beside one, Tapoch Broch, or as we called it, the Pictish. That early connection stayed with me. The pool is always strong. To see an almost intact broch, to finally understand what they once looked like, to climb inside and picture how our ancient ancestors might have lived. From the deck of the Fettler ferry, we watched in awe as orca surfaced through the waves, sleek, silent and powerful. Later, from the towering cliffs of Hermanus, we watched gannets wheel and dive with precision, their wings slicing the sky. We paddled our kayaks out to the jagged sea stacks known as the drongs, where puffins skimmed low over our heads, their wings whirring above. And in a quiet corner of Unst, at Garfield Youth Hostel, we sat with mugs of tea and watched an otter in the harbour. But the moments that sparked this book came on midsummers as we made our way by kayak to the island of Mousa.
Was it flat cam, Corey?
As darkness deepened, what little of it there is in Shetland in summertime, we stood beside the broch, listening. And then they came, the storm petrels, tiny seabirds returning under the cover of night to nest inside the ancient stones. Woohoo! Their soft purrs filled the air. Calls of love and loyalty, guiding their mate home through the darkness. That night stayed with us. The mystery, the magic, the moonlight. It's what inspired Moonlight over Mousa, and Gale, the little bird who takes you into the heart of that story. And when the weather turned, as often does in Shetland, and the sea told us we'd be wise not to paddle home, the kind skipper and his son of the Mousa boat made room for two soggy travellers, their kayaks and all their kit. Because not all angels wear wings, some wear ganses. And so, with those memories folded into every page, I'm delighted to share this story with you. Moonlight over Mousa, Gale the Broch Bird. On a wee isle cried Mousa, nestled in the bonny Shetland Isles, there bides a tiny storm petrel named Gale. The ancient Broch o' Mousa is a tall stone tower, where his family hae bided for generations. Gale dreams o' gallus adventures beyond the shores of Mousa. He flutters his wee wings with anticipation and chirps blithely. Gale cannae wait to explore the vast world outside his cosy nest. Yon nicht, when the moon shone bricht, Gale watches the waves crash against the rocks. Sudden like, a playful orca swims by. "Oh, what are ye, with your sleek body black and white?" cries Gale. "I'm Orca," replies the friendly orca. The friendly orca invites Gale to go with him on a wonderful adventure to explore the seven seas. Orca and Gale gaze at braw fish swaying in kelp forests. Gentle waves carry them for it into the wide, wonderful world. Far, far awa' fae wee Mousa. Oh, what are ye, with your snowy white wings, yellow dusted face, and ice blue een, cries Gale. I'm Gannet, smiles graceful Gannet. Gannet dives into the water like an ara, catching fish with precision. Gale and Gannet become good friends. They explore hidden coves and soar high aboon the ocean surface, watching orca down below in the muckle blue sea. The trio of friends keep on adventuring when a mischievous otter splashes by, burling and playing in the frothing waves. Oh, what are ye, with your glistening coat of fur and thick twitching whiskers, cries Gale. I'm Otter, smiles the slippy otter. Gale and Otter tumble and swim together, laughing and playing. Otter then guides the group to a small remote isle where they meet a gathering of comical puffins. Oh, what are ye, with your rainbow beaks and your orange webbed feet, cries Gale. We're puffins, chorus the puffins. Gale is fair captivated with their vibrant beaks and stamping orange feet. The puffins welcome Gale and all his pals, and together they explore the isle, hopping fae rock to rock and rafting together in the rolling waves after a refreshing dook. After 4 years of adventuring together, the caw of Mousa starts to tug at Gale's heart. Gale kens it's time to gang hame to his beloved isle. His heart is full of love for his friends and memories of their adventures, but the pull of hame is too strong. Gale turns, yin last time, and waves goodbye to Orca, Gannet, Otter, and all the puffins. As Gale flees o'er the glistening waves, he marvels at the beauty of the world. The rolling hills, majestic cliffs, sparkling seas, and all the mysterious and marvellous beasties that are now part of him. Gale arrives back at the Broch on a bonny moonlight nicht to find it just as he left it, standing tall and proud. He hears a soft purring noise and is drawn nearer. In the heart of the Broch, Gale meets a bonny lass, Luna. Fast as nicht falls, they fall in love and start to build a wee cosy nest together. With muckle care, Luna lays a wee snowy white egg. Gale proudly stands by her side as they gaze at their precious gift. Days turn to weeks, and soon a wee grey fluffy chick hatches out. Gale and Luna name their wee yin Stardust. Stardust carries all the magic and wonder of adventures to come in its wee wings. A time when the wide world will call and Stardust will take off on its own gallus adventures. On a braw bricht nicht, when the moon's just recht, and the wonders of the world beckon.